OpenAI has recently launched its first AI agent builder and they mark their entry into AI agent building space. So this platform is a no-code platform which provides drag and drop options to build any type of AI agents, and it is powered by their advanced reasoning model series, which provides a greatest opportunity to students to entrepreneurs. Now in this video I'm going to discuss about how we can build AI agent on this platform, what is special for you, what type of AI agents we can build, and the most important one, what is the biggest opportunity and leverage we can take using this platform. Now, before moving ahead, let me introduce myself. My name is Gaurav Metawa, and I have been building AI agents from past 1.5 years, and I have built and deployed multiple AI agents to small to big companies. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So now we are here at OpenAI's agent building platform, and this is how their canvas actually look like, where we can build different type of AI agent. Now at the left side of the platform, you can see different type of nodes, and these nodes are drag and drop option nodes. So you don't need to have the coding knowledge to build anything on this canvas. So let's understand what are the different type of nodes we can use and what is special in these nodes. Now, let's start from the agent node and let's understand what is inside the agent node. So as you click the agent node, you will be able to find the first thing, that is instruction. So you need to define the prompting to any AI agent that you want to build. Second is that they are providing the access of all their different models, including their reasoning models. So this is the best thing they are doing, because now you can build different type of data reasoning AI agent on the platform directly here. So you don't need to deal with all the complications that you face on Anytime. Then they are giving the tool section in the agent node, which is you can click on the tool section and you can see different type of tools. Again, they are giving all the no code tools that you can directly integrate. So the first one is MCP server, so you can connect with your third party application through the MCP. Then they are giving the file search options, so you can directly upload any type of data and then you can query that data. Third is that they are giving the web search options, which you can use to find out all the different type of news or content on the directly on the Google or web search. Then they are giving the code interpreter. So code interpreter is something that you can use to query the structured data. So let's say that you have data in your Google sheet and then you want to use the data and then you want to take action on that data. So let's say you have data on your Google sheet, then you want to say that, hey, change this data to this thing and this and that. So you can use code interpreter to perform action on that structured data. Then they have some custom function which you can build by your own using their custom options. So this is how you can use the agent option specifically. Then they have the add node, which you can use at the end of the workflow to end the workflow. Then they have sticky nodes, which you can define all the how this agent actually works, what are the prerequisites to make this agent. So sticky node is, I think they have done a great job here. Then they are providing the file search option, and this is the great thing they are doing, because this is something when we were building AI agent on Anytime. So I found that there are a lot of complexities when we were building data research AI agent. So we were connecting data vector databases like Pinecone and Quadrant with AI agent. So there we need to have some coding knowledge to connect and to configure all these things. So now this is something that we can do here, and it's pretty easy. So let's say that you are a business, or you have a huge amount of data that is you accumulated in last couple of years. Now you can use that data to take different type of insight from the data. How do you do that? You just need to use this file search option. You need to upload the data directly into the vector database. So you just need to upload your data into the vector database stored directly here, and you can connect this file search option with the AI agent, and you can ask any type of query related to your data. Then they have put this third tool, which is guardrails. Now this is they are doing to protect the sensitive data. So let's say what inside in the guardrails. So in guardrails, we have the first option, that is personal identifiable information check, then moderation, then jailbreak, hallucination, and continue to error. Now let's say that you have a database and you connect it to this databases to the AI agent. This database could have your personal information, your customer sensitive information, bank accounts, and kind of thing. Now in such instances, what you can do is you can protect that data to let the access of these AI models like GPT's models. So let's say if you want to protect your customer sensitive data, you can use these different type of guardrails, like jailbreak is a one thing that is they are giving. Then let's say if your agent is hallucinating over your data, then you can use this option of hallucinations to protect the agent to hallucinate over your data. So let's say if you want to find out personal information, you can use those different type of actions. Now they are giving the MCP server as well. So let's say if you want to connect your AI agent with different type of third-party application, it could be that you want your agent to take action on your Gmail, or it could be Google Calendar. So this is how the MCP can be used. So let's say if I am here at MCP, now I can connect my agent with emails, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Outlook email, calendars, SharePoint. even Microsoft Teams, and then you can see different type of third-party servers are also there. So if you don't know about MCP, you can comment down MCP, and I'll be coming with next video on MCP. So let me just tell you in the layman language. So earlier, what we were doing is we were connecting our AI agent through two different type of tools, through different type of APIs. So for every tool, we were connecting a different type of API. There we were coding the entire API. Now MCP is something which you connect your AI agent with an MCP server, and this MCP server has direct access of different type of your applications. So you don't need to have the coding knowledge. You just connect your MCP with the application without any API integration. It's just a sign up thing, and then the MCP server can connect your AI agent easily. So you are accessing all your application through MCP server. So which is here they are doing at a great level. Now in data operation, we are specifically see two type of different nodes. That one is a transformer, and then another is a set state. So transform is, let's say if we want to operate on a data, we want to perform particular type of action on a data, then we can use this transform options. Then we have the set options. Set option is something where we want to define a particular variable. So in those stances, we can use the set options. Now we have understood all these nodes. It's time to build an AI agent. Now let's build an AI agent on this canvas. So first thing you need to do here is that you need to choose the start option, because this is going to be the trigger option for the any AI agent that you want to build. So the first thing we need to choose is the start option. Then we will choose the agent option itself. So I'm connecting the agent node with the start option. So today I want to build something which can find me AI news, latest AI news, and can guide me that what type of content I can create on those AI news. So I'm prompting this on this agent. So I have already prepared the prompt. Now let me copy and paste the prompts. So this agent will be a content researcher who will be researching about the latest AI news and will guide me that this is a type of content that we can create. Now in the tool section, I'm going to provide it the web search option, because it needs to have the capability to search on the internet anywhere and then can find out the content for me. And this should be very, very latest. So I have added the tool option. Now I am choosing the end option at the end of this agent. So this is how you complete the workflow. Now in the preview option, I'm going to ask the question. So now I have put a question that, hi, find the latest news in AI, and it is researching. Then it is using that tool to search on the web, and it is searching multiple AI news that has happened recently. Then it is coming up with this knowledge that, hey, OpenAI has recently launched its own platform, which is the agent developer. So this is something that it is telling about its own platform, then Google, then OpenAI threat report and account bans. So this is the type of content it is suggesting me to create content on for YouTube. So this is how you can build an AI agent using this platform. Now, as you come to here, you will be able to connect it with MCP. So let's say that you want to build a multi-level of AI agent or multiple AI agents all together. You can connect with if and else options. So this agent will be delegating the task to this according to these conditions to different AI agents. So how you can connect it? So let's say you want to connect the AI agent with this, then you can connect different AI agent here. So let's say this is how I can use the multiple AI agents. So I can connect the multiple AI agents through if and else condition. So let's say this could be the first agent will be the task delegating agent. So let's say you want to build something which can handle your emails, which can handle your traffic on your website, which can handle your like content. Then you can build on one agent, you can connect it with different multiple agents. So accordingly, the first agent will be understanding your requirement and then will be delegating to different type of agents. So you can connect with multiple agents here. So this is how you can connect it with multiple agents. Now using this platform, you can build multiple type of agents. And the first opportunity that you can get here is that you can build a data research AI agent for businesses that don't know how they can use their data. So using this platform, you can use their data. It could be their old CRM data, which can be very, very helpful to provide different type of insight. So we can use this data directly and put it into the vector database store, and we can build a query agent on the top of that, and we can provide access of this agent to different business owners, which they can use to take the different insights. So this is how we can build agents on this platform. Now the question comes in that what are the different type of AI agent we can build using this platform? So considering this platform as a completely no-code platform, we can build different type of AI agents. It could be in e-commerce, healthcare, real estate, ad tech, or any specific industry that you think of. We can build different type of no-code AI agent using this platform. So let's take an example that it has different type of nodes that are more specific for data transformation. So you can build data reasoning and insight AI agent. It could be you can build a different type of customer service AI agent, you can build a different type of email agent, research agent, which you don't need to have the coding knowledge while building on this platform. So this is how you can leverage this platform, and you can easily use these drag and drop options to build any specific agent within few minutes. Now let's talk about the greatest opportunity. Without having any coding knowledge, we can build powerful AI agent. In my last video, I discussed about Replit Agent 3 as well. Now, the one thing is very clear that without having any coding knowledge, we can still build this type of different AI agents that can automate 20 to 30% of your time, or at least 60 to 70% of your manual tasks that you do. So which is a great advantage that you can take using these type of platforms. Now, if you don't know about MCP is something which helps us to connect the AI agent with different type of third-party application. So this is going to be a complete topic. If you want me to cover that topic, comment me down MCP, and I'll be coming up with a next video on MCP. So this was all for this platform, and I'll connect you in the next video.